Hello everybody, I'm going to present a human assistant system. This project is created a modern web content and mobile platform involving asynchronous data retrieval, client-side DOM manipulation, standard adherence, and user-user interaction. One. Project description and goal. Describe the approach the project to use. 2. Project scope. Develop an open standards-based RESTful API to support server-client communication. Develop two-client applications to support URI. Define the scope of client-side and server-side. Part 1. Project description and goal. Part 2. Client-side, which is mobile web platform and iOS apps. Part 3. Server-side, HAS server and RESTful design, MongoDB design. The main goal of the project is to develop two client-side applications to support the Node.js server communication with using RESTful API. The idea is allows users to use the REST and iOS platform to create a tool group and make their world chat with patrons, share their lives, leave their patients, and make friends in the classroom. Part 1. Sign up page. This web page allows users to register their account. Part 2. Login page. This web page allows users to log in with their login ID. Part 3. Chat room. The primary use of a chat room is to share information via text with a friend group of other users. Part 4. Map allows users to find their friends from Google Maps. Node.js plus RESTful. This is the main consumer of the API. I can interact with RESTful API using jQuery address. Get method. According to the design of the get method, get requests are used only to read data and not changes. Therefore, when used this way, all are considered safe. Post method. This method is most often utilized for the creation of the new record. In particular, it's used to create user records. Put method. This method is used to update or replace every resource in the entire collection. Delete method. If the client-side calls this method, the record will be removed. Repeatedly call delete method on the record end up the same, the record is gone. What makes this special? The project designed to make image upload in Classroom from controlling my designed image upload library, which is called system.js. As I wanted to create a library to instead of using font label, hence I have developed my own image upload library for RESTful API to use. Creating your fans group with working in your country. You can use this system and easily find your friend on the map and chat with them. Auto member working and hiding store can be reviewed the system. Okay, now we are going to see the web page. Okay, this is the first page of the human assistant system. You will see that they have some description described about the REST function. First of all, you need to sign up your user account.
At the top of the right hand corner, you will see that they have a login button. If you log into the system, the login button will change to logout button. If you have not logged into the system, you cannot go to the map page and chat room. In this page, you will see that your group name at the top of the banner. You also to see your member on the Google Map. If your latitude and longitude is also 500, it means that you have not posted your current location to the server, so that you need to pass the get location button to get the current location from the system. And then you should update your current status to the server. Okay, you will see that your current status and your current location has already uploaded to the server. If you double click your member user ID, the Google Map will reset the sender to the member, and you also can use this system to find your friends. Now we go to see the chat room. This page is also to see your group name at the top of the banner. At the right of the chat room, you will see your group member, and you will see that there has a component. This component is decided by my system.js library, and this library is used to post the image through the Retro API to the Node.js server. You will see that if you selected the image from your PC, the image will show in the web immediately, and the image also will reside Okay, I already successful to send a message and with an image to the server. If you pass this all message will gone. Okay, now we are go back to see another platform, which is a iOS app. The primary use of this iOS app is a chat room, which is to share information via text with a friend group of other users. Generally speaking, the ability to transfer the multiple people in the same conversation in classroom from instant message programs, which are more typically designed for one-to-one communication. The users in a particular classroom are generally connected while they share interesting things. Okay, now we are going to go to see the RSF. This is first page of the IOSF, and you also need to log into the system. IOSF has the same function of the web page, and you will see that your group name at the top of the banner, and also to see that your group member on the Google Map. If you want to update the current location, you should pass the Get Location button. Okay, now you will see that you have already get the current location from the iOS Drive. Okay, you see that I have successfully to update my current location and update my current status to the server. And you can also use this app to find your friend. Okay, you can see that the result has been come out. This is a classroom page for the iOS app. You also see that the group name at the top of the banner, and you can use this app to chat with your member. Okay, you will see that I have successfully to send a message to the server from my iOS app. Okay, now we are going to see the server. This is my MongoDB document. You will see that there have four major documents in my HASDB, which is a user account, user group, user map location, user message. The HAS server supports the RESTful API to fully functioning REST or IOSS source using the MongoDB and Node.js with RESTful API module. Here are the goals of the server. Using the Node.js and RESTful API. Supports the client-side using the URI to communication with the server. Sort and retrieve the JSON data in a MongoDB collection. Node.js is an open source cross-platform runtime environment for server-side and networking applications. Node.js applications are written in JavaScript and can be run within the Node.js runtime and OS X, Microsoft Windows, and Linux. Node.js provides an event-driven architecture and a non-blocking I/O API that optimizes an application's throughput and security. These technologies are commonly used for real-time web applications. REST stands for Representation State Transfer. It is an architecture that allows client-server communication through a uniform interface. HTTP RESTful API are composed of GET, PUSH, DELETE, POST. Routing. HTTP routes are used with a parameters resource to demand what class of handlers to run. Values associated with name placeholder are available in request parameters. MongoDB is a document-oriented NoSQL DB. It stores data in JSON-like format and allows to perform SQLite queries against it. Step 1. Create a new DB instance. Step 2. Establish connection to DB. This process is developed and posted by one student. That's the end of the presentation. Thank you for your watching.